Hello again everyone. We feed the birds in our garden, which attracts a number of species. We mainly feed sunflower hearts, which are a favourite. The most common visitors are the brightly coloured goldfinches. Here's a male siskin and a chaffinch. Great tits fly in, take a seed and fly off again to eat it somewhere safe. Greenfinches are also regular visitors. Robins nest in our garden, and they also take advantage of the food on their doorstep. Blackbirds also nest in the hedge. Collared doves arrive in a flock. Sometimes there's as many as 8, trying to eat as many sunflower seeds as they can. Here's a young blackbird. And here's a wood pigeon. These would eat the whole contents of the bird feeder if they could. Then, occasionally, the bird feeders are empty. No birds around. The birds are wary. They've seen something that alarms them. Sometimes, one's not quick enough. This is a female sparrowhawk who's caught a collared dove. This is nature in the raw. The sunflower seeds attract the smaller birds. The birds themselves attract the sparrowhawk. A few weeks later I saw this, right outside of our kitchen window. So nature's food chain continues in our garden.